Well, guys, this was way overdue. So in today's video, I'm going to be changing the oil on my Nissan 370Z. I've had this car for roughly about 5 months, and whenever I buy a new car, first thing I do is change the oil. But since I got this during like winter time, didn't really drive the car, so I figured there was no need to do it. So it's a pretty simple job. For those who don't know how to do an oil change on the car, all you need is a jack stands. I suggest 2. I had 2, but I don't know where the other one went. You're gonna need a funnel of some sort, a pan to catch the oil, of course the new oil filter, oil filter wrench, ratchet, and if you have a 370Z, a 14 mil for the plug and a 10 mil for the undershroud. So I got the car on jack stands. Got the jack stand on this side, and what I actually did was I grabbed like a brick and just dropped it on the brick. And what I like to do, I like to leave the jack underneath the car just in case of like the jack stand fails, the car doesn't completely fall on me. So you're gonna want to grab your drain can, catch all the oil, and grab your 14 and just break it loose. Once the car is done draining, you could put the drain plug back in. And guys, when you're putting the bolt back in, make sure to just get a new crush washer. You don't want to reuse the old one. You could potentially run into it leaking. So you just replace the crush washer. So I got drain pole tightened, oil filter tightened, the undershroud tightened. So this is the oil I'm gonna be going with. Mobil 1 5W30. Car takes 5.2 quarts, so you will have to get a 5-quart jug and 1 quart. So once you got all the oil in, just tighten up the oil cap, start the car, and then check the oil level and check for leaks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's where you're gonna want your oil to be, right in the middle. That's perfect. That's gonna wrap it up for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. You know, like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications on, and I'm out. Peace.